everybody. I'm here to give you guys an end of day analysis for my personal watch list. It is 4/22/2024, and let me give you guys some news on Bitcoin Depot first, on what they let out today. Bitcoin Depot and China Merchants Bank are both finance companies, but which is the better stock? We will compare the two companies based on the strength of their evaluation, dividends, analysis, recommendations, institutional ownership, earnings, and risk of profitability. So I guess there's a company out of China called China Merchants that does exactly the same thing as what Bitcoin Depot is trying to do with the kiosks, which is a good thing. That means they have competition, so they have to keep up. Anyway, they're trying to compare the two. This is a breakdown of current ratings and recommendations for Bitcoin and China Merchants Bank, as a reported marketbio.com. Bitcoin Depot currently has a consensus target price of $5.13, indicating a potential upside of 148.79%. Given Bitcoin Depot's higher probability upside, equalities analysis clearly believe Bitcoin Depot is more favorable than China Merchants Bank. So Bitcoin Depot at this point in time are the better stock to go in on if you're looking to invest in a company that has to do with, I guess, crypto and kiosks, where you're able to actually buy off the kiosks. And they have those here in the United States and around the world as well. So they're comparing the two, and which one in the near future has a better upside, more profitable, and gives you more return. China Merchants Bank beats Bitcoin Depot on 7 of the 11 factors compared between the two stocks, which is just their analysis. But either or, that's a better news, you could say, because when somebody has competition, then they have to keep up to who they're competing with. So China Merchants Bank being favored in this article is a good thing for us invested in Bitcoin Depot, I think, since they need to keep up with them, because that's who they're being compared to.
The ball is stuck in his hand. It's illegal contact and then the ball is loose.
But anyway, let's go through the watch list. It was a slow day. Tilray brands went up to 176, and then they went back down to 167. Chronos Group hit 220, which I thought they were gonna go back to $2 because that's where they're usually at, and now they're at 236. So if somebody went in when they were at 220 and got out at 230, that's 10 cents. With $10,000, that's about $500-600 return. Silex is at 97 cents. They were at 90 cents. So I'm going to watch them to see if they're going to make their way back up to 150, whereas where I usually go in on them.
said 3 threes at the game.
Here's Tilray Brands. What their charts did. They took a little dip under the 70 cent. $1.70. Nikola is at 63 cents, which is not bad. If you get them at anywhere under 50 cents and you have the patience to wait, you can make good money with them. Bitcoin Depot hit a spike up to $2.11, and they ended their day at $2 the aftermarket time. So it's not bad. We'll see what they do the rest of the week. I'm thinking they're gonna go up to $2.50. If not by this month, by the end of next month. But after what that article said, I'm gonna look up what that other stock is doing and then compare the two to have a better eyes view on it. Kind of like what I do with Tilray Brands and Chronos Group, because those are both cannabis stocks, so they compete with each other. Here's Petco Health and Wellness. They're at 158, which is not a bad buy. If you're a short-term buyer or even a long-term buyer, I think. And then just have patience, wait for them to go up. Figure out your own personal window and get out. But anyway, that's my analysis and update on Bitcoin Depot. Talk to you guys tomorrow morning on the opening bell analysis. You guys have a good night.